Presenting the 2014 Hyundai Veloster Turbo. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are heated mirrors, security system, driver illuminated vanity mirror, brake assist, front side airbag, pass-through rear seat, leather seats, and telematics. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.